Hello, my name is Kanchan and I am from Standard 6. Today I am going to do some experiment of science. So I am going to blow balloon with bottle by using vinegar and baking soda, and I will use balloon also. So let's get started. Material we need is balloon and this vinegar, a plastic bottle and this baking soda. So now let's